Welcome to Clear Explanation. Today we're diving deep into the world of geology to explore an intriguing rock, diorite. Diorite is an intrusive igneous rock, which means it forms from magma that cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface. This slow cooling process gives diorite its characteristic coarse-grained texture. Diorite is composed primarily of plagioclase feldspar, along with smaller amounts of biotite, hornblende, and pyroxene. Its appearance is often described as salt and pepper due to the mix of light and dark minerals. Here you can see the distinct black and white minerals that give diorite its unique look. The white crystals are plagioclase feldspar, while the dark minerals are biotite and hornblende. Diorite is commonly found in large plutons or as part of the cores of mountain ranges. It's a durable rock that has been used throughout history for various purposes. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians, valued diorite for its strength and used it to carve statues and other artifacts. Its durability made it an excellent choice for tools and construction materials. Today, diorite continues to be used in construction as well as for decorative purposes. Its striking appearance makes it a popular choice for countertops and ornamental stones. The next time you see a stunning countertop or a piece of art, you might just be looking at diorite. If you are a rock enthusiast and want to know more about diorite rocks, you may read books like Igneous Petrology by Myron G. Best, Petrology, Igneous, Sedimentary, and Metamorphic by Harvey Blatt and Robert J. Tracy. Check the descriptions. Thanks for joining us on this geological journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more clear explanations on fascinating topics. See you next time.